Greetings, it's Maxo Diddly, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can catch any boss pal tamer in Palworld. So let's get right into it. But before we do that, all you're going to need are a couple of pal spheres because this method is a guaranteed catch when you do it properly. Firstly, you need to get a wanted level, so I recommend you go to the small settlement. Once you arrive at the small settlement, give the guard a friendly slap. And now you are wanted. And they're going to try and kill you. So now you go to the teleport point, and you want to fast travel to a teleport point near the boss you want to catch. I'm going to go for Zoe and Grizzbolt. Once you teleport, a friendly guard is also teleported. If this guard of yours is stuck in a rock, don't worry because it doesn't matter. Your friendly guard will teleport with you to the boss room. You can do this at any point in the game, all you need are a couple of pal spheres. Once you get to the boss, you want to enter it. And confirm. Once you're in the boss room, make a note of where your guard is. And what you need to do is you need to make it so the guard shoots Grizzbolt. So position yourself so the guard tries to shoot you but ends up hitting Grizzbolt. This can be hard if you're at the start of the game. And if Grizzbolt wants to hide in a corner. You don't need any gear for this, but it does make it easy. Also, it doesn't help if the guard can't aim. But don't worry. Now, make sure you don't hit the boss. If you hit the boss once, the glitch doesn't work. But as you can see, my guard has hit Grizzbolt. And once the guard actually shoots them, it kind of breaks the boss, so they don't actually move. So now we're going to throw a pal sphere. And as you can see, it bounces off. It needs to be a back catch for it to work. Which is quite easy to do. And obviously, look, we've just caught it. Now, here comes the fun part. If you're on a multiplayer server, you can open the menu. And you can just return to title and then rejoin the server. And that will remove your wanted level and get you out of the boss room. However, if you're in the single player world, you need to basically click on respawn. Then pick up your stuff. And you'll also have no wanted level. Since I'm on a multiplayer server, I can hit return to title. Before we check out our new pal, there are a couple of things I'd like to say. Firstly, you can do this as many times as you like. Just make sure you get a wanted level before you enter the boss room. Number 2. Catching the boss doesn't count as defeating the boss, so it won't progress the story. Number 3. Sometimes the guards can be a bit buggy. So here, there's a guard in the boss room and then he kind of just vanishes. If this happens, just return to the title screen or respawn, get a wanted level and try again. This should work in a couple of tries. Also, if your Zoe and Grizzbolt decides to have their back to the invisible wall, so it makes it very hard to do a back catch, you're just going to have to try again. As you can see, we have got a level 10 Zoe and Grizzbolt in our pal box. So, thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more Palworld tutorials. Thanks for watching.